Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 3D leather car seat covers. I already had this for over a year now. These seat covers, they're great. I like how comfortable they are and how they make the car seat look. They give it that sporty look to it. So you can see you have your headrest right here. It's easy to install, and here's the body. You can see it has this extra foam to support your back. It has this extra padding right here also. And you can see the leathery type there, and then the two-tone colors. I like how this has a stretchy material that this will fit many seats, and it stretches all over them. Installation is very easy. They come with this PVC pipe that you can see right there to make it tighter, so you can push it through the bottom of your seat, so that way that'll make the seat covers nice and snug. If you are interested in buying one of these, I'm gonna post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, these are some great leather 3D seat covers. I like how they make the car seat look nice and sporty, and it's very easy to install. And these are some great comfortable seats, and they last a long time, and they're very durable, and they fit the car seats very well.